Matt3756.
Hello, goobers. I am Michael Myers. I've taken over the soul of Matt3756. I can also talk now. I have taken his soul and his house and everything in it. I'm going to be doing a challenge on his claw machine. Each skull inside is filled with a random dollar amount. We're gonna see how many skulls we can win and then gut them for their money. As Mr. 3756 would say, don't forget to subscribe down below and click the like button. Let's see if we can get 10 likes. Today's nice comment shout out goes to Ellie Vlogs. Hey Matt, you're my favorite arcade YouTuber. I love to watch. Can't wait to ever meet you if you're in Texas. Well, Ellie, I don't think you'll be seeing Matt in Texas anytime soon. Let's see how many skulls we can win, and see how much moolah we can get from them. Spider on his head. Come on, baby. Oh, let's try to get these skulls with some moolah. Oh, there's some moolah in there! Ah! Like Matt always used to say, use your angles. I think I'll try that. Come on, baby. Oh, there's a little one. There's a little one. Yes, there is. Beautiful. Let's see how much is inside. Let's cut him open and see what's inside. $20! Splendid! This ginormous skull back here. Come on, baby! Get him! Yes! Let's see what's inside of this little guy. $50! Yes! I'm now going to go for this little one right here. Checking my angles. Missed him like a duck! Try for the skull in the middle. Oh no! You idiot! He might be gettable now. Come on, baby! Oh! Come on, baby, get him! Yes! Yes, perfect! Perfect grab! Let's see how much is in this one. $5, not too shabby. Let's go for this other gigantic skull over here. Oh, it hit the rat, but I think it's okay. Yes, 2 in a row. $100! Jackpot, baby! Just for the hell of it, I'm gonna go for this cotton candy back here because I'm hungry and it looks delicious. That should be it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, stay. Yes. Let's see if we can get a 2-in-1, as Matt always used to say. Oh, 2 and none. Come on, baby. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Get in there. $20. Beautiful. Oh, what a perfect grab. Perfect grab. Another 2 in a row. Oh, that is beautiful beans. 5 more bucks. We'll take it. Last play of the video. We're gonna go for the giant rat. Come on, baby. Right up the booty. Oh! In total, we won $200 on the dot. Hope you enjoyed the Mystery Skull Claw Machine Challenge. I don't know if Matt will be back anytime soon, but like he used to say, thanks for watching.